Alright, we're going to be fixing this BitLocker recovery error here. So this user did a Windows update and a firmware update, and since then they've been unable to log in. They do not have the recovery key. They've exhausted all methods. So the only option now is to do a full wipe. So I've already prepared a Windows 11 installer. I could do a separate video if you're interested. So we're going to insert the USB. We're going to boot from USB. We're going to just do a clean install of Windows 11. All right. So once more, it won't go away. I'm just going to press enter just for the purpose of this video. Nothing happens. You do escape for more options. We wait, and it comes back to this option where it asks you to either skip or enter a key. So we're going to skip, and then no. We could go here. We could do reset your PC here. Reset this PC. Remove everything. That's the only option because it will still ask for the keys. Yeah, we could test it. If we do keep, see, there's an error message. Hit cancel, recovery, reset, remove everything. It goes in a loop. So we now have to boot from USB. So we could say you would use a USB drive. So that's what we're going to select now. Here. It didn't see the USB because we just inserted it. So we're going to turn off. We're going to power on. I believe it's F12. We'll have to do it again. So we're going to power off, Control Alt Delete, F12. Okay, one-time boot option, and now we could choose the USB here, SanDisk. We wait, it's booting from the USB. Just this guy here. Okay. English. Next, we'll do install. You have to agree. I'll write the steps down. Accept the agreement. And this is where we're going to delete. It did not see the drive. Why is that? Show details. The selected disk does not support. Okay, let's go again. What the heck is that? Okay, so we had a hiccup earlier where we did not detect the built-in drive, this NVE Micron 512 drive. So you see it says RST. So we had to download the driver separately. I'll add the instructions below. So we're still going to boot from USB now. And then once we get to the portion where it asks for to format the drive, we'll fix that. So by the way, this is my 30th video challenge, so I expect to improve in my recordings as the time goes by. So bear with me. Cool. All right. So I agree. I've been here before. Accept. Okay, now we're stuck again. So we're going to choose load. We're going to browse. I've already copied the files to this USB here. It's within this folder. I'm just going to let it search for it. We do OK. It should find it. Okay, let's go again. Let's go a little deeper. VHD, I guess. Okay. Alright, so it found it that way. So we're going to choose. Let's do that one. Next, it will install it. And now we can see our drive. So we see disk 1 and disk 0. So we're going to delete these partitions here. Delete. Anything that says partition 1, we'll delete. 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 Oh, you may notice it's getting bigger and bigger here. 475.8 GB. Then we're going to delete this one. It says this one, partition 1. Delete that. And then now we just have a 476 gigabit for disk 1. And we have the option to install. I'm going to press next. And then we follow the prompts. We're going to install Windows 11, keep nothing. Everything is wiped. Do next. And now we wait. All right, here we go. Installation is complete. Could do a bit further. Skip. So this is not a Windows install video. This is just how to get rid of that message. Now in Windows 11, this option here is forcing us to do a connect to internet. So we're going to skip that option. So we're going to do, hold on. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to bypass. So we're going to do a feature called out of box experience. We're going to change how it operates, and we're going to tell it to not connect to the internet. So on the keyboard, position, we're going to do Shift and F10. My F10 is here, so we're going to do Shift F10. Okay, maybe the function key might be required. Yeah, so we had to hold the function key in this case. So Shift F10, and now we have a black screen, just the command prompt. Trying to adjust here. Give me a second. And then we're going to type the command OOBE. Hold on. OOBE. That means out of box experience. We're going to tell it to bypass BPASSNRO. Don't ask me what that means. Press OK. It's going to restart the welcome experience. Okay. We'll enter. And then at this time, it should not force us to connect to the internet. It's going to ask us. We're going to say we do not have internet. Okay, so we press enter. Enter. I did press enter. Yeah. Enter. We wait. Choose a country. Defaults for now. Next. Next for the keyboard. No additional keyboard. And then now we now have this magic button that says I do not have internet. Now the reason for this is we want to create a local user that's not linked to a Microsoft account. Microsoft like Hotmail or stuff like that. So we're just gonna call this user, let's just say happy. We're now back in our computer. We're gonna skip the password for now. We could set that later. I'm not the fan of some of these options here. Location, find my device, but for now we'll just press next. Next. Turn off advertising ID maybe. Some of those I don't like. Accept. And then we now have a clean installation of Windows 11. The information that was stored on this is obviously gone because we did a full wipe. That was our only option. We're just waiting for Windows to load fully, and then that will be it for this video. Okay, so here we have it. User happy, local account, not linked to any, and then now we can connect to the internet if we want to. So clean install of Windows. Clean install. That shouldn't be there. That's empty. And that's the USB that we put Windows 11 on. We'll confirm. Shows that it's running Windows 11. We could do about Inspiron 153520.